How to change Messenger language? Ever found yourself struggling to navigate Messenger because it's in a language you don't understand? Sure or not, changing the language is simpler than decoding a secret message. Here's a quick guide to help you switch Messenger to your preferred language. Launch the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and select here on this left panel. When you scroll down and search for language, unfortunately, there is no any way to change the language on Messenger directly from this app, but there is an alternative way. For that, you need to simply head into the settings on your device, as you'll be required to change the whole device settings language. Once you open the language or the settings option here, scroll down, go to additional settings, and now select language and region. Tap edit on the language, and here you can easily add any language and change your messenger language as per your choice. You can even change the region where you reside, and after that you will easily change language on messenger as well. Once done, you have successfully changed the language in messenger to make it more understandable and user friendly for you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.